Hello everyone, I'm Sia Ishikhanna and I'm back with my new video. Thank you all for the subscription and likes. And yes, I have got some of the suggestions as well. और जिसमें से कि एक था कि मुझे हिंदी भी यूज़ करनी चाहिए. And I must appreciate it and will consider this for my further videos. Thanks once again. So topic of discussion for today will be CA exams, which is really difficult to crack. But don't worry, I'm there to deal with all your problems. Because मैं भी एक normal CA student थी. I have cracked CA exams with lot of practice and also overcoming my mistakes. But मुझे जो अपनी problem लगी is I was not having any of my elder और कोई भी मेरे पास counselor नहीं था to whom I can ask what are my issues, how can I crack it. But right now, being a chartered accountant, I have joined a test series where I am an evaluator as well as counselor. So on regular basis, I am dealing with many students of CA of different levels. और मुझे उनकी प्रॉब्लम समझ आ रही है and while checking the exams and evaluating their test papers, I have learned that there are many mistakes which we do not consider while we are just a student. But as an evaluator, right now I can really analyze what were the mistakes I was facing and were not overcoming. But I will help you out to solve this before ICA tells you your mistakes. So, सबसे पहले तो मैं ये बताऊंगी कि while evaluating many papers I have faced a common problem for many students and that is related to presentation and formatting. अगर आपको ऐसा लगता है that while writing your answer, if you are numerically perfect, you will get maximum marks, then you are mistaken. सिर्फ आंसर करेक्ट करना is not required. Perfect presentation and formatting means a lot. Just imagine yourself being a chartered accountant after clearing these exams. क्या आप अपने clients को बिना किसी presentation और format के कोई भी report provide करेंगे? No. Then why are you expecting that you can clear your exams without giving importance to these things? Right? So please work on your presentation and formatting. For this, I have seen students while checking the exams, in the initial question they are damn perfect. They write perfectly, they present perfectly. But as they move on for the further question, due to lackage of time और I can say कि उनकी practice properly नहीं है, इस वजह से last questions में आते आते they just do not give importance to any kind of formatting or presentation. They just try to solve it and finish their exam within 3 hours. But आप ये problem overcome कर सकते हो easily. For this, you need a regular practice. And please keep a timer with you. This is really important for CA exams. If you're solving a question, just estimate the minimum time which is required for you to solve it. Try practicing this on daily routine basis. And yes, one more important thing, आपको ऐसे preparation नहीं करनी like it is your personal revision. But solve those questions as you are writing it in your final exam. And believe me, presentation and formatting gonna help you a lot. Okay, so in case of any kind of practical question, debit credit is very important. Preparing a balance sheet, name of the company and the date of the balance sheet is really important. Please do not imagine that the evaluator or checker knows everything. Because while checking your exams, हम हर एक चीज़ consider करते हैं. We have got the suggested answer sheet to which we need to match your answers. Now imagine yourself that you have presented your answer without any format. आपका आंसर अगर ठीक भी होगा, we are unable to provide you full marks. Right? So please do not avoid any kind of presentation and formatting. This is really important in case of theory answers as well. I would love to take comments from you and for your problems in my comment section. प्लीज़ आप मुझे अपनी सजेशंस दीजिए और अपनी प्रॉब्लम्स बताइए so that I can create further videos to solve all your problems. Because in my upcoming videos, I'll be dealing with particular subjects like it is in a case of practical or theory, how to prepare properly, how to make your schedules and how to write answer, which is really very important. So please Take this suggestion, this will help you a lot. Prepare well for your exams. All the very best. Thank you.